Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start new chapter, that's chapter number 12, The Village Blacksmith, who is a hard-working common man. Connect. Tell us about a time when you tried very hard or worked very hard. So let me tell you about a time when I tried very hard and I worked very hard. It was I mostly worked hard. I mostly work hard when it's my examination. You know, specifically, I work hard for examinations. Whenever there are my examinations, whenever my exams are near, I work very hard, and I try very hard to get good grades, to get good marks. Okay, that is the time when I work hard and when I try very hard to get a position, to get good grades. Okay, rest you work very hard, you have household jobs and you have some other sort of work you are attending. Okay, it's not only exams, but for me, I work very hard when I have my exams very near. I work very hard and I try very hard to get. I try very hard to get position or to get good grades in examination. Okay, let's move to another point, that's reflect. Why do they say hard work always pays? Do you agree? Your reasons. Why do people say, they here means people, why do people say that hard work always pays? You know, if you work hard, there is if you work hard, you get success. Okay, it's not only, you don't have to keep only up to luck कि किस्मत जो मेरी किस्मत में होगा देखा जाएगा, नहीं. You have to put some efforts for your success. Okay, you have to put some efforts for your success, and it's not only luck that will make you succeed, that will make you successful, but it's hard work as well, isn't it? So hard work is the key to success. Okay, it's not only luck. You say चलो ये खुदायन किस्मत समझ लिखमुत, जो किस्मत में होगा देखा जाएगा. No, don't keep only up to luck. Yeah, luck, you can give luck 20%, but hard work 80%. Okay, hard work always pays, and hard work is the key to success. Give reasons. I have given you reason. मतलब if you work hard, मतलब अगर आप सक्सेसफुल नहीं होगे पहले टर्न में, लेकिन वो आपकी हार्ड वर्क जो है वो ज़ाया नहीं होती है. It teaches you something. If you work hard and if you don't get success, don't don't be sad, or don't be like desperate to get success. Okay, if you work hard but after that if you fail, after that hard work if you fail, don't regret over that. Don't regret that why I worked hard. That hard work teaches you something. वो hard work आपको कुछ सिखाती है. हाँ, after hard work if you get success, that's good. But if after hard work you fail, don't regret on yourself. आपने आपको कोसो मत, बल्कि आपको क्या करनी है, उससे ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी है. आपने ऑलरेडी हार्ड वर्क किया हुआ होता है, तो नेक्स्ट टाइम इट विल बिकम ईजी फॉर यू टू वर्क मोर हार्ड. ओके, imagine you meet a very hard-working person who tells you about their long days and work. Write a short role play about the meeting. You are meeting a very hard-working person, okay, one who works very hard, and he tells you how he works for long days and how he works in this hot weather, long days. Write a short role play about the meeting, and you have to write a play on the meeting. For example, you will write man, hard-working man, तो आप लिखोगे me, फिर हाई. ओके, ड्रामा जैसे लिखते हैं ना, मी हाई, तो हार्ड वर्किंग मैन कोलन हाई, आई एम ग्लैड टू मीट यू, लाइक दिस. हाँ, सो आपका कन्वर्सेशन और उसके और आपके बीच में क्या कन्वर्सेशन, द कन्वर्सेशन बिटवीन यू टू, यू हैव टू राइट अ प्ले ऑन दैट. ओके, हाउ ही वर्क्स हार्ड, ही गिव्स यू टिप्स how you should work hard, how he earns his living. Okay, like you have to write a short play, a short drama on that. Before we read, let's read this introduction about this poem and introduction about author, this poet rather. Henry Wadsworth Longfellow, who was born in 1807 and died in 1882, was an American poet and educator. He was born in Portland. He was an educator. Educator means one who deals with education, okay? He was born in Portland, Maine, USA. He published his first poem at the age of 13. See, at the age of 13 he published his poem. And here we at the age of 13 have no idea about this, about our books. We don't at the age of 13 we don't know where we keep our books, or where we are not this we are all dependent on this, on our parents and all. Even at the age of 25, 28, and 20, even in 20s we are dependent on our parents. But see here, this SW Longfellow, he published his poem at the age of 13. He was an avid reader. Avid reader means one who keeps on reading, and liked reading stories set in foreign lands. He liked to read stories that were set in foreign lands. He was well versed in several foreign languages. His works means he knew various foreign languages. His work include the Song of Hiawatha and the Arrow and the Song. These are his works, okay? Many of his poems have been translated into 24 languages. 24 languages में इसकी poems जो है वो translate की गई है. The Village Blacksmith is a poem published in the Knickerbocker magazine in 1840. So Village Blacksmith is a poem that was published in the magazine, and the name of the magazine is Knickerbocker. In 1840, Longfellow used to pass a Cambridge cemetery every day as he walked to Howard College, where he used to teach. So Longfellow used to pass at the Cambridge cemetery. Cemetery means where one makes iron things, okay? Every day as he walked to Howard College, where he used to teach. He used to teach at Howard College, and in order to go to the Howard College, he had to pass through that Cambridge cemetery. It's believed that this poem is based on him. On whom? It's believed that this poem is based on him. Based on whom? Based on Longfellow. However, Longfellow told his father that the poem is based on their ancestor Stephen Longfellow, who was a blacksmith. So this poem is based on S.W. Longfellow, but Longfellow has told his father that this poem is based on their ancestor. Ancestor means Abba Ajdad. Stephen Longfellow, who was a blacksmith, जो कि एक blacksmith था. This a kind of autobiographical or biographical poem, we can say. The poem is written as a kind of a ballad. It's a kind of ballad. What's a ballad? A ballad is a form of poetry that tells a story in short stanzas. So ballad is a form of poetry that tells you story in short stanzas. Okay, so tomorrow we will read this poem. I hope you got the introduction. Tomorrow we will read this poem. Till then, stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.